Hey guys, pumunta akong H&M. Yung ulo ko nilalamig. So, meron akong ganito ngayon. Tapos ito. Para ano. Look. Lakad ulit tayo. Next stop is Red Light Museum. Doon tayo pupunta. And then, Sex Museum. Tapos, wala na! Uwi na!
Yo, valla sen. Yok be.
Ganda doon. Papunta tayo doon. Guys, hindi ko na alam kung nasaan ako. I don't know where I am now. I'm just following my map. My map says go straight. Like yung mga ali dito, no? Dito sila nagbebenta ng ano, pinagbabawal na biscuit, na cookie. Kasi yung cookie nila, guys, merong halong ano, MJ. Merong halong MJ. Pero hindi ko siya trinay. Uy, ang ganda! Yung mga ganyan, mga coffee shop na ganyan. Daw, sabi ng Uber driver. Pero sabi, ang bait ng Uber driver. Sabi niya, huwag mong titikman kasi ano, mag-isa ka pa naman. Oh, plangak diba? Looking after me talaga. Buti na lang. Sana all. As, my God! That's already nowhere. Dito na lang tayo. OMG, I don't know where it is na. We're going to Red Light Museum to see how they lived and the history of it. So it's called Red Lights. Sexy Amsterdam. Oh, it's not here. So, hinahanap ko guys kung nasaan yung Red Light Museum na yan. Oh, dito. Dito. Parang dito siya. Museum. I think this one. Is it? Red Light Museum. Red Light Secrets. It's called Red Light Secrets. Oh. Grabe oh. Kung gusto niyo talaga ng mga ano, marijuana, dito kayo magpunta, dito na kayo tumira. Dito ba yun? Museum. Hotel. What is called? Are you local? No? Thank you. Ay, hindi ko mahanap. Oy, nakita ko yan noon. Like souvenirs. Red Light Bakery. Ay, tanong tayo dito. I cannot find it. Last. Oh, diba? Live porno show. Asa nang na? Red. AED money. Yatay. Hindi kasi gusto kong maintindihan yung ano, buhay ba ng mga prostitutes dito kasi hanggang ngayon open ang prostitution dito until now. So at night in both of these streets makikita nyo yung mga model sa bintana talaga as in nakaano lang sila. Pantit bra, ganun. Light bar. 86 pa lang ako. So, dun pa. Sex Palace. So, very open siya. It's open for things na hindi natin inakala ang damo at mga babae. Pero sabi ni Bebe, maldito, meron din daw mga trans. Ganyan. Okay. Hindi sa tomboy ako guys, hindi ako tomboy, pero gusto ko lang talaga maintindihan kung yung buhay nila ba parang yun ang maging buhay ko. Charot! Shout out, bebe! Meron dun guys, yung isa nasa ano talaga bintana. So here we are guys. I've read about this one. And let's see. Thank you.
For the early guide, at least you can
Huh?
capacity.
Oh,
Do you want English?
yes please.
There you go. The way you're gonna use your guide, you're gonna find these little red squares inside the museum. Whenever you see them, you just need to point at
Aray
them.
ko. My God, it's too small.
Yeah, man, just give me.
Yeah.
So when you see this, point at them, the word play, just listen, okay?
Ah,
This
okay.
is for the photo booth. You can use, if you wanna use it, you need that one. And then you just need to scan your ticket there, man.
Okay. Cool. So let's go inside na. And, ay!
All the way around. All the way around. Flip it.
Thank you!
Someone bought you a nice bread and some paper and dinner.
Visiting a prostitute is better than having a steady partner.
Our job, and I respect her for how she handles it. I love her a lot. I do her accountancy, her shopping, and I'm always around if there are any problems. Some call me her pimp, but that doesn't sound good, does it? Sometimes really abusive prostitutes, some even workers who work with treat them like animals. Well, I do not like that, and to give me a bad name.
Yes, I am a sex worker, and I'm proud of myself. I really enjoy it too. Unfortunately, there are also prostitutes who
So ito yung windows. Kung saan sila naupo. Maupo sila dyan. Ng butubad. Tapos dito. Ito yung nandito. Dito sila.
You just point to the man what you want inside. If you point at them, you smile them, and you look them in the eyes, men are so stupid that they just come inside. They think with them dick and not with them head. So, finally you came in.
Ito yung nandito sila.
From Russia.
Oh, it's going to start. Ito yung ganyan. Okay.
Usually, the most perverse client want to go in the luxury. I will tell you a story. Once I have a client, really good paying client. They went to the luxury. Fun thing. You tie them up, and they are the people with the craziest fantasy ever. Trust me. Clients can be really good. I can't tell which kind of coffee. But in every coffee you got to want the best people. Nice people. Ask if the man get caught. But it's a pity the man gets never.
Parang umahihilog guys. Hindi ko kaya yung buhay nila. Grabe ka sad oil. Kay kinat daw ang ano. Tapos na ako guys. Nag-ano dito. Tawag niyan. Nag-tour dito sa Red Lights Secret Museum. So dahil wala naman, nakikita niyo yung mga upuan doon. Doon sila umuupo. Tapos yung buong stretch nito, meron talagang model dyan. Kanina nga, di ba, inanuhan ako kasi nga, yung babae, naka-display siya. Tanghaling tapatayan, pero may iba pa rin pala. Grabe. May story noon, my God. Parang sumakit yung ulo ko. Oh, grabe no? Ganun pala yung trabaho nila, tapos may namatay daw. Ganyan. Yan sila upo. Tapos nakaano lang talaga sa kanya. OMG. Pero nangyayari pa rin yan sa totoong buhay. Just like what I said, may nalampasan tayo na kanina. Punta na tayo doon sa Sex Museum. Ang daming Briton dito. Dito sila nagpupunta. Tapos naka-display lang dito yung patiti, ganyan. Tsaka pikikay na ginawang pagkain. Ginawang pagkain yung mga napipit sa mga pikikay. Oh my God. Daming ducks. Madami dito nakahay lutang. Kasi, kailangan ko na ng bago. Lisa, ito na yung shop natin. Ang dami na yung padun. Bro, birthday pressy. Masaya na naman. Meron na naman tayong bagong kapartner. Guys, meron akong birthday present sa sarili ko. Yung bago kong partner. Ano kayang pangalan niya? Si Oppa Byun-Wasok. Si Oppa na yun. Si Oppa. So we're gonna head now to the Sex Museum. Giatay. The Sex Museum. Ay, nandun na pala yung Central. Malapit na. Sex Museum is over there. Tatawid tayo. Okay. Tatawid. So here we go, guys. Punta tayo dito. We'll try. We'll see. I-vlog natin to kasi nga sabi ni Martin Maldito, you have to try this one, Sex Museum. Guys. Ito yung Sex Museum. Dapat hindi mo natatay. May sounds pa dyan.
Hey!
Tapos yung mga ganito. Trick. Tayo si Funny Hill Street. Ayun. Dun sa man. This little fellow opens and closes secondary dun. Ah, okay. Sorry. So, ito na yung, ano, sex museum sa loob. 10 euro ang entrance. Tapos, mga ano lang. Ka-adult-adultan. Naputol na yung titi. Ang laki. Parang alam mo yun. Parang hindi ko na ito maikot. Uy. Anong meron dito? Atay. Ay, wala na. Ay, nandito na ulit ako. Am I here? Balik na tayo doon sa isla. Mag-ferry. Kasi gusto ko maglakad-lakad doon na may araw pa. Lagi kasi uwi ako. Gabi na. Diba? Slangak talaga sila pagdating sa mga bike. Kasi yung Adam Lookout doon. Doon. Ito yung Adam Lookout. Gusto ko sanang pumunta. Kailangan mag-book. Wala nang booking. Bukas na daw. Eh, alis na ako bukas. Kaya doon na lang ako sa hotel. Thank you, Amsterdam! Thank you, Amsterdam. Thank you very much. Thank you for hosting my birthday. Chararat. Till then, next time. Bye. At dahil hindi tayo makapasok sa Adam Lookout, let's go inside their shop. Seasonal swing. Oh, dito na lang tayo sa gift shop. Hanggang gift shop na lang ta. Uy, ang laki-laki ng ano ko. Pabalik na ako ng hotel. Time check. Parang 1:26 or 1 something. Wait. Magtuto 1:45. Mag-catch tayo ng bus. Andun yung bus stop. Marunong na ako mag-bus. Dire. Oh, yan. Bus stop. Yan. Wala pa naman siya. Pero yun na nga. Very nice indeed. Wala na kasi akong pupuntahan dun. Napuntahan ko na lahat. So, ayoko namang umulit-ulit pa. Pahinga na lang ko. Kaya mag-work na naman ako. Yeah. Happy birthday, self. Thank you, self, for providing for yourself and for everyone else. Kahit wala silang pakialam sa akin. Kahit wala silang effort sa akin. Okay lang. Guys, happy birthday to me. This is my birthday lunch. Tapos, ayoko mag-diet ngayon. Lahat kinain ko mo. Doritos, cup noodles, chocolate, Pringles, Coke. Birthday mo. Diyos ko, mag-edit na naman ko nito. Dala-dalawa. I love this one. This is Cold Girl in Rio. Cheers! Happy birthday, Ne! Wishing you well. Like this is one of my favorite. Girl in Rio. Super taba. Ipak na si Jen. Ayan ang aking birthday dinner. Noon sa maning 43, 40, 43 on 44. Hindi naman makita yung ano ko. Yung wala yung ano ko. One bit yun. Ito lang kakainin ko. Tapos konti niyan. Tapos lalaklak na. Hello. Hello vlog. Hello vlog. Ay, pag ganun, nakita siya. Kalahati lang ng ulo ko nakikita. Thanks to my birthday dinner. So yummy. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ano ba to? Merong lasuna, kamatis. Bata ng mga chef. Masarap yung chips nila. American fries.